Hello and welcome to Adam's Wing. In this quick video, let's see how to insert a hole in an Airbus A320 aircraft. Let's say we want to fly a hole at CLC in our flight plan. Go to your flight plan and press the button next to CLC and press hold. Enter the time or distance to cover while hold before turning. Enter that information here and press insert. But make sure if you want to fly a right turn hold or left hold as per the navigation chart or as per the ATC. So the CLC holding has been inserted into the MCDU flight plan, and you can also check the primary flight display to see the right turn hold has been activated. This is the airport which is CLC in this flight plan. Once you fly over it, the aircraft will turn right to enter the holding. Now you can see we are over CLC and the aircraft will start turning to the right to enter the holding. The aircraft will fly the holding until we exit from the hold, which you can do by pressing the button next to IMM exit in the MCDU. Once you exit the hold, the aircraft will fly next waypoint and continue its flights. Thank you so much for watching.